How are we going to get the most out of a conference occurring in the midst of what seems like chaos, surrounding nearly all government programs that make up such a big part of space activity? First, the virtual conference is already underway at no cost for you to take part. Just log on at www.reinventingspace.org, sign in, and join the conversation starting now. And it's free. Second, travel restrictions and travel budgets are a dramatic problem for everyone, both in the U.S. and the international community. We want everyone to take part in the conference that wants to join the conversation. Consequently, we've reduced the price for live streaming by 40% so that everyone can join, whether you can get here in person or not. Of course, it's hard to take part remotely or even in person when you're uncertain of who the right person is to talk to or how to ask a question of a speaker when you're in London. We'll help. We have our concierge program up and running, so you can talk to a real person before the conference, during the live streaming, or to follow up after the conference. You can meet Nicola Sarziamati and Christiana Taylor in the virtual information booth. They'll suggest who you should talk to, help set up a meeting, or ask the speaker a question on your behalf. And for those of you who have been here before, Julie Jackson and the whole crew will be here to help, as always. In addition, we're working on a new book called Reinventing SMAD, Methods for Dramatically Reducing Space Mission Cost and Schedule. There are ways to reduce cost dramatically. They do work, but they also require changing the way we do business in space. Yesterday's process of spending over a decade and a few $billion just doesn't get us where we want to be in the foreseeable future. I'll be teaching a half-day course on this on Monday afternoon, just before the conference. During that same time, Harriet Aldeva will be teaching a 2-hour training course on how ITAR works. And after both courses, we'll get together for an opening reception to begin to talk over what really makes sense and what are the most realistic and fruitful approaches to changing how we do business in space. The bottom line is that attending the Reinventing Space Conference is more important than ever. There is real enthusiasm and, of course, a dramatic need to find ways to reduce cost in the near term. The needs are real. The budget is terrible. Come find out where programs are going and how to deal with the new reality. You've already gotten started. Let's find out where we can go from here, and thanks for joining us.